Arrive in style with this 2014 Dodge Ram 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: front bucket seats, remote keyless entry, tachometer, power steering, power driver seat, delay-off headlights, ventilated front seats, trip computer, and passenger door bin. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.